Alexander's eating crackers? You say, go Yankees!
Go Yankees!
Yeah, Yankees!
No, go Peppa!
Go Yankees!
No! I'm not going to go Peppa!
Who's playing?
Peppa.
Baseball?
Yeah.
What teams are playing?
My Cuba.
What teams are
I
playing?
see Cuba.
You see a school bus?
I see Cuba TV.
I don't think there's a school bus at the baseball field.
I see Peppa.
Who's playing?
Go Peppa!
Who's that?
I saw you cracker.
Alexandria eating crackers. You say hi, Alexandria?
Hi, Alexandria.
Hmm?
Oh, you're being funny.
You're funny?
No. No.
You're not funny?
No. I'm talking.
Go Yankees!
No, like a Peppa.
Go Yankees!
No, go Peppa.